guys, it's Coach Megan here. Come on in. I'm going to show you guys how you can create a really cute host gift for the holidays. You could do this for many different things, but we took some Mod Podge. If you don't know what Mod Podge is, it comes in this jar. It's really able to get anywhere, any craft store. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, even the Walmart will have it. But this is the gloss finish Mod Podge. And what we did was we took that. We took a base. You could do any base pretty much. We took our napkins and we took a little bit of an inexpensive applicator and glued it on. Pretty much it's like glue. This is indoor use unless you seal it off. But so we took napkins. Let's say you want to buy any napkins. Is any seasonal napkins, right? I think that these blue florals are all year round. So I actually did a pumpkin. Okay, this is how it came out. Okay, we just cut out a little bit of pieces and Mod Podged it and made a beautiful pumpkin. You could do this on ornaments. You could do this on candles. You could do this really on anything, okay? And look how cute. So you could do ceramic containers, and this sits in my house all the time. So we're just going to make the most adorable bow to go on this to add a little bit of extra, even more extra touch of something we've already created. So let's go ahead and build the bow out. I'm going to go ahead and take my blue and just create a little baby bow. A nice shorter tail, probably about 6 inches, so it kind of strums down the side of our pumpkin. Do a nice pinch. Then we're going to go in and do a nice little twist. And from my left hand to my right hand, it's probably about 8 inches. So we're going to half it and pinch it and twist it and do the same thing on this side. We're going to make sure that they match, so we have them just like this. Pull them up, and then we're going to cut a nice tail, a little bit longer than the other one because we can always cut it shorter than add. So that's our one ribbon. Then we're going to go in with this. I'm going to go opposite way that I did this one. So I'm going to go up towards the sky, a nice pinch, twist. We're going to get about a little bit smaller. I like to stair stack my ribbons. So as you can see, the stripe is a little bit longer than this. Everything plays off of that first ribbon since we build the bow from the bottom to the top. Now with any kind of foam pumpkin or anything like that, you definitely could add a little florals and greenery. But today our main focus is our ribbons. All right, now we have this gorgeous Sean Connery ribbon. Let's go down towards my body, towards my arms. We're gonna do a twist. Now, if you don't have a lot of this, or it's because it's designer, we still stair stacked it down, but you could do one beautiful loop. So let's just do one beautiful loop today. We talk about how you can save money by adding a strip or a loop in, so that's what we did. Then I'm going to go in with this hex, and crosshatch. I'm going to do 2 loops of this because this ribbon is a bang for your budget. So up, twist, 1. A centimeter down, or a little stair stack down, about a centimeter. This bow's already looking beautiful, and it's going to make such a big impact. This is a hex ribbon, or open weave also. I'm just going to finish it off with one nubby nub of that. Can't talk today, y'all. Let's go ahead and close this off with a pipe cleaner, extra long pipe cleaner. Just pull our thumb and our finger up. Press it down. Give it a nice tight twist. I like to wrap it around just for extra security if I'm only using one. And then let's open this up. Now this bow is big, it is juicy. We could have done it smaller. You could do any size you want. There's no wrong to it. But I wanted a little extra flair. And who doesn't love a big juicy bow? I love it big and juicy. Yes, please. Look how beautiful. And look, we always use wire ribbon as well, y'all. We cut off the excess pipe cleaners. We don't need that. We actually have a little hot glue that might help if we need it. So I have it on the side. we're going to take our U-pin, and these are sharp edges. I'm actually going to go right through that bottom ribbon on both sides, so it will help secure it, okay? If you need to cut it in an angle a little bit more, you can, but see how we just went right through that ribbon? And I'm going to do the same as well over here, just to get it. You can also put it right under the pop cleaner too, but I don't mind just going through that bottom layer of ribbon. Just be careful of your phalanges. Now we're going to take these, kind of hold them together. Get a little bit of that glue glob, glob the ends a little bit. Now we're going to take these, whoopsie daisies, we're going to put them right in the top of our pumpkin. I'm trying to find the front area I want. The pumpkin is foam, that's why it's going to pierce it just fine, and you won't have an issue. Hold on one second, there we go. I was on the stem. So our pumpkin, press it in, swivel this bow. There we go. Oh my gracious day. This girl looks so cute in my house. You can also take a little bit of glue as well and extra secure it by just putting a little behind the bow here. A little extra glue never hurt nobody. Kind of like a little extra piece of chocolate at the end of the day. Or a little piece of candy. I love candy. Okay, so anyways, let's go in. And you can cut these down. I'm going to do a little side swipe here. Side cut. There we go. This hex ribbon doesn't finish off the prettiest, but it's so beautiful in a cute bow. Cut them all different sizes and lengths because it's going to give your bow a little extra texture. Okay, it's going to give it a little bit extra texture instead of having everything cut the same. It will help. Just like we stair stack the ribbons, we're going to also cut everything a little bit off. A little bit of wonkadoos. Now, you definitely could bring like a little bit of floral, but look how freaking adorable that is on our little pumpkin. You definitely could go smaller. You could go bigger. You could do whatever you want, but you can still tell it's a pumpkin and it's still freaking adorable. Y'all, I think anybody would be super excited if you personalized something with a little Mod Podge and then added some matching ribbon in. I think it just could do a little extra cute touch on it. So, or if you want to personalize your own tree or your own home decor, I think this is really cute. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see y'all later. Preferably in creative coaching every Sunday. Okay? Bye, guys.